while. Haven't been able to videos lately, but package. This package is full of excitement. I'm excited. As you can see, why I'm excited. And my setup is not set up right now. You know, I my phone is in my hand, so that's why it's all over the place. I don't have anything to open this with. Now that I've covered any identifying features, I don't have an iPhone here, so I'm just gonna wing it and use this pen tip. Oh, this is really hard to do with one hand. Don't mind my foot. Oh. Oh. Come on. Yeah. Get off, hi. No, Fox, stop running away from me. Okay, I think I got all of the tape. I did. Okay, now I've used the mount because this is going to be a disaster. Now we kind of have an overhead camera. I need a better setup. Oh! Oh yeah, let's not show that. And this is a conspiracy palette. I'm so excited. That box up. I wish you could actually see my face because my phone is actually upside down right now. Oh my god. This box. It's called Party. And I forgot that it slides out. Yeet. I just hurt myself. Oh my goodness. And look at this. I'm excited. Let's make y'all sick. Okay. Now it's not upside down anymore. But it's a conspiracy palette. Oh god. Oh, I didn't know that felt like that. That's so cool. And now for the big reveal. Oh, the plastic wrapper's over it. Oh my god, it's so pretty. I'm excited. This is crazy. Yeah, ranch, my pills, Tanacon, diet root beer, just the theory, spiraling. Oh wow. Conspiracy pigment food videos. Trisha Cheese does flamin' hot. What's the tea? Diet cola, non-effects, sleep paralysis, Illuminati, and Marad's here. Now I'm gonna, holy shit. I just used the wrong kind of swatch. Hold on. Oh my. Like, I watched the video of this being put together and I saw how buttery smooth it was, but I didn't think, okay, first off, I didn't think I was gonna be able to get this palette because it sold out really, really quickly. Holy shit. My fingers are turning colors. I'm running out of clean fingers. But the pigmentation, funny because I just used the color pigment. Or swatch the color pigment. Whoa, that is so yellow. And it shows up on my yearly pale scale, which is good. It's Trisha. Oh, it's like Barbie pink. And cheese dust. That actually looks like Cheeto dust. What the hell? I'm flaming hot. Oh, that's a pretty red. I don't have long enough arms for this. Because I still have 6 more colors to go and my fingers are stained. But that actually does look like flaming hot Cheeto dust. That's crazy. What's the T? Oh, that's so pretty. My overalls are gonna be covered in lots of colors. And Diet Cola. Holy silver. And it shows up on camera. Holy biscuits. Not a fact. Oh, I like that one. And my fingers stained even more. The colors are so pretty though. Sleep paralysis. Okay, I still had color on my finger from another color, but that accidental blend transition is actually really cool. But I don't know what color I used. Ah, crap. Okay, Illuminati. Is so pretty. And then last but not least, my ride's here. Holy shnikes. Guys, I'm so excited to play with this tonight. Obviously I can't do it right now. I have other stuff to do, so I was just gonna do this mini unboxing / swatching video looking like a total goblin. So that's cool. But yeah, I'm really excited to play with it tonight. And I will I'll get to it. But I hope you guys enjoyed my getting weirdly excited over this new palette that isn't all that new, but it's new to me. So I'm really, really excited to play with it tonight and in upcoming videos. But I hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you like this video, go ahead and smash that like button. If you don't like this one, go ahead and hit that dislike button. That's fine too. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. And I will see you in the next one.